inside, and then you start doing a minimum. When I was in boy, simule nyumba, uze bintu, ogolole ngoye.
You're not young.
I'm going to turn your time, take her down.
You mean the whole world to me. I love you so much and I really miss you. I appreciate whatever you do for me, because there are many children at the street. Yeah, they have their biological parents, mom and dad, but for me I have a single parent. But she takes care of me. She gives me whatever I need. Who am I? I just thank the Almighty for giving me that mother that I have. Thank you very much.
Amen. Mama. N'abakazi mwena abasula abaana bammwe mweddeko omwana buli mwana yeetaaga maama namwe abalagajjalira abaana mu ngeri yonna sisula sitekamesita akasembayo sisi tokiŋŋambangako nti wozeze emyaka 10 tobiŋŋambangako naye emyaka 10 mingi jangu nabe ku mwana okuva iddi kuva mwana ngali you said primary 4 okuva ngali mu primary ya 4 mpaka nakati ate nga nejja covid gibaale kati ali mu senior 4 sisi komawola be ku mwana akomewo wamma sikyo Omwana kubeerako naye omwana alina empisa omwana ayogera bulungi buzaako mami.
Hello mommy, how are you? Let me hope you are fine.
So do you use English with your mom throughout?
Like we mix English and Luganda.
English and Luganda. Oh. Sisi, baby, nenga wena kugambye 10 years without seeing each other is too much. Nakadde, oba, how do you see? You going there and find her there and her coming here. What is the best? What do you like most? You going there or her coming here?
I prefer both.
She prefers both. Now you have to be specific. You have to choose one. Either you go or she comes here. So you have to pick one. Which is the best? What do you want most?
Like she should come this side because even her mom misses her.
Even her mom misses her. So when you go there, she'll also be able to see only you.
Yeah, but if she comes this side, she will see me and her family.
If she comes here, she's going to see all of your family. Yeah. And if you go there, so you prefer her coming here, not you going there.
Yeah.
She suggests you should come and see them. She's not only the one who wants to see you, but the entire family, not so?
Yeah.
So instead of her coming there, actually I wanted to give you a support. We arrange and we take her there, but she prefers you come and see all of them. See what she did? So she just go missing. Noga mwana bera noga njagala nnyo okulya kino, njagala nnyo okulya kiri. Okay, what is your best food? Your best dish?
Chips and chicken.
Chips and chicken. That's why last time also you asked for chicken and chips, only that it wasn't there. And then took something else.
Yeah.
What is your best color?
Pink.
You love pink. And your worst?
Purple. And yellow.
And the purple is my best color. So we are not friends, eh? Purple and yellow. Anyway, purple is my best color. So how comes it is your worst?
And one man is mint is another man is poison.
That is true. Show me the matama abiri. Show me the matama abiri. Anyway, what advice would you give to children like you, those who are left by their moms, to go and hustle?
Like, I advise all children like me to study hard and make their parents proud, to focus on what they want, mostly education.
Mostly education.
That's all I can say.
So that their parents...
Because most of parents want their children to study hard.
They get empowered.
Yeah.
Because they are going through a lot. Yeah. To get school fees, you know.
Yeah, because some parents...
you have to value your parents' money.
Because
the hustle is too much.
Yeah. Some parents don't want their children to go through what they are going through.
Some parents do not what? Okay. Some parents do not what?
Don't want their children to go through what they are going through. What I'm trying to mean. Tebaga abana baite mu bye bayitamu.
Abazadde tebagala bana babo bayite
mu bye bayitamu. Like
why did you say some of the parents? Do you think there are parents who want their children to go through the hard times they go through?
No. Not that all parents go through hard times. Because some are planned parents.
Some are planned, eh? They are planned ones, eh?
Yeah.
Anyway, okola emirimu.
Yeah.
Anyway, since omwana muleseko ewaka tugenda kubeerako wano naye, tugenda kusiibako wano naye, tubeereko naye. Osinga kola mirimu ki?
Egyaka gyonna ngisobola.
Gyonna ogisobola. Anti yakuyigiriza. Omanyi okufumba? Omanyi okuwata emmere n'ogisiba eno gye basiba eyo mu lulagala?
Oluwombo?
Emmere nga yo bagiyita ki?
Yakuwobeza.
Eno emmere gye bakola omuwumbo ne bagisiba bulungi amatooke. Omuwumbo nomala n'onyiga n'ogizaako. Ogimanyi? Ate oluwombo?
Oluwombo simanyi.
Naye tolumanyi?
Just manyi sandika.
Obambi ekuyigirize wano eno nga tonaba kuddayo nakumeka. Ekuyigiriza tuyagala. Kafumbirwe ng'okuze omaze okusoma.
Njafumbirwa.
Anyway, bakadaama bannange, nange tonya bakadaama bakasola bannange. Kantula kisa kano okwebaza abasalawo okukolerera abaana baabwe. Eriyo abeerabira abaana. Naye omukwano gwange yangamba waliwo omukwano gwe yafiirwa omwana naye ng'ali mu mwenge gutamiiru kataagala kumanya agamba naye ng'omwana we afudde. So abazadde tuli banjawulo, mulimu abazadde abalina laavu y'abaana era nga bakeyarenga, eriyo abatalina. Omuzadde n'asalawo n'ava wano ewaka e Uganda neeyongerayo mu nsi ezeeyo ewala okufuba okola nti nowakolerera abaana n'omusanga ng'ayambala engoye ezitatuukiridde, engato ezitatuukiridde, naye n'afuba okulaba nti omwana wa musanyusa, omwana wa muweera, omwana we yenna ayambala bulungi. Bamaama kika ekyo mwebale nnyo, mwebalirira. For example, her mother, she has spent all the 10 years in the hustle ng'akolerera omwana. She goes to best schools. Omwana ayambala bulungi, agula engoye ennungi, omwana alabika bulungi nnyo, aweereza buli kintu kyonna ekyetaagisa, and she's there hustling a lot. Si byangu nga mubimanyi, because I know how she works, I know all that she's going through. Naye eba afuba n'agamba kankole nkolera mwana wange. Omusanga guli sina kiyerekereza naga kino kakyerekereza naye omwana wange akole ki? Yamusindikidde essimu zaalibyo, omwana alina options ya ssimu 2 and then a smart watch. Byonna akokwata bimuweereza omwana, si bya ssente ntono n'okubiyisaamu kubituusa eno bitwala tugende, so si bya ssente ntono. Naye she wants to make her daughter happy. So such mother like her, Jemuri, and you're playing your part. That is very, very interesting. Tuli appreciative. Aliyo nga talina mutima gwa mwana. Just fumitirizamu olowooze nti omwana oyo weba simufuddeeko yava mu lubuto lwange ani agenda okumufaako. So it is you, it starts with you okwagala omwana wo, then n'abalala ne bakola ki ne bagoberera cause gwe yamuzaala yegwe maama. So abagenda ku kyeyo ne mukola nga muteeka mu nsawo zammwe, abamu ne mukyasalawo kunywa mwenge, abamu sebo bagula n'abasajja baswiiti nosala gwe n'ogula omusajja n'omulabirira naye ng'omwana wo gy'ali ku butaka akola ki abonaabona. It is very bad, it is very very bad. That man whom you're spending your money to or with tagenda kukubeererawo mu kaseera ka bukadde, but your son or your daughter is the one who is going to stand for you when you grow up, when you grow old ate okyasobola. So kati ke kaseera kanako kukolera abaana bamwe nabo babayambeko mu bukadde. Era sisireste webale nnyo nakumpa ku mwana wo, oba oli mwana kadaamu oyagala nkukyalire ku mwana wo, kwogerako na mwana wo okumuzzaamu ku maanyi nga ndi wano, I can go there oba mukitambuddemuuko. N'ekirala mweyigirize okulambula oba okufuna abantu balambule ku baana bamwe, mumanyi abaana bamwe bali batya. Namukwano gwange yagambye Rozet, nyina ekinnuma ku mutima, simanyi oba olina obudde ongendereko embalala ondabire ku baana bange. Bwe mbaga bapeereza ku baana bange ebifaananyi bakuba matu ne bapeereza nga mugamba bakasa namba ebifaananyi nga bakubako matu nogamba kikikoba kamera buyitako bwe ne bali bakuba bifaananyi nemugamba kati kino kiba kitegeeza kiti munnanga bakuba matu ne bakola ki, abalala bakuba magulu, abandoza batunaka pati akanyumanyumako okulaba ne bakuba. Lwaki okuba mwana wa muno kifaananyi kiramba n'omuweereza kiba sweet mwahasolinga abamu ne muweereza sente zammwe eno eri bano ababalabirira abaana nembo sente ne bazikosamu kirala, abaana ne babeerawo ne balumwa enjala oluusi tebalidde, abaana ne bakuga ne balayika bobiso. Mweyigiriza akantu okubako omuntu gw'otumayo n'alaba abaana bali mu mbeera ki, era omuntu we privately afuna akadanyweko n'abaana babuuze muyitibwa mu mbeera ki, ki ekigenda mu maaso, ki ekibanyigiriza. Naye abaana bamwe babonaabona kyokala babanamu maanyi mugambe Rozet, you're discouraging us, whatever. Kigasa ki omwana wali mu mbeera mbi n'okutuuka okufa nga toyagala kumanya, kubanga gwomanyi oweereza ssente, oweereza fees, oweereza ez'okulya naye nga tomwa kirimutuukako nga byandibadde kumutuukako. Wagenda kukolerera ki? Wagenda kukolerera mwana. So olina caring, you have to take care. Owulirize omanye oba abaana bateekako mbega bateekeko mbega omanye baana bali batya. To my daughter tetwaze kulaba mbeera gyali because the mom already knows she's okay, kubanga kusimba beerako okwa auntie ne bakuba video call n'amuweereza ebifaananyi. She knows that the baby ali bulungi. Era yangambye sis, I'm not sending you there to see how my baby is doing, no, because she's okay. Naye njagala ogende mulabeko obusobole mutambulemu naye omutwalire surprise ebintu yali yabinsaba dda ebbanga liri naye nga Eva mugamba nja kuwa so bimumpeere naye nga teyatutumye okujja kulaba nti omwana ali mu mbeera ki. Netwadde ku kamera twayisiza ku katono netwadde off cameras just yakoze olugezigezi wange nemubuuza ati akuyisa atya nanga twadde ku kamera ezokubanga oyogedde just nti aleme kulowooza mbu nwakwade ku kamera nangamba no sisi, that is no mom, that's the reality, that's the truth. Ampisa bulungi. So abaasa abaana babannamu obulungi mukola ki mwebale. A few words to your aunt who takes care of you.
I have two aunties that I really appreciate. Aunt Sumaya, like she had gone abroad, she just came back. I had gone to Masaka to see her. I love her so much. Because before my mom went abroad, even when she was still in Uganda, I used to stay with Aunt Sumaya. Then she left and went to abroad. That's when I began staying with Aunt Olivia.
When she went?
Yeah. I also appreciate Aunt Olivia too, because she has been there for me. Thanks so much, Aunt Olivia. I love you all.
What about Jaja?
Even Jaja, I love her. Even my cousins, I love all of them.
So Jaja is also you're appreciating everyone who has done good to you.
Yeah.
Jaja also is a good person.
Yeah.
Who else? We shall not talk about that, but I pray when your mom comes back, she takes you to your dad as she promised. Mashallah.
Even I appreciate Mami Jemima because we met with Jemima at school.
As a friend.
Yeah. I introduced her to my mom. She also introduced me to our mom, and we became friends. Like even my dedication day, I called. It was supposed to be there on Saturday. On Sunday. And I called her mom on Saturday evening. She was in Masaka. She had gone to see a relative who was sick. And she was like, Shaki, I'm not going to be able to come and visit you because I'm very far. I don't know whether I'm going to come back to, because she stays in Mukono. I don't know whether I'm going to come back to Mukono today. But let me send you some money and you buy yourself a success card. She sent me 50K.
Wow.
Bye. And I was like, it's okay. And now, Sunday morning, like we were in the chapel, in the main hall when they are dedicating us. After the dedication, some of my friends came and told me, Shaki, someone has come to see you, and I was like, who has come? Surprisingly, I went outside and I found Mami Jemima.
She was already there for you.
Yeah, and she told me, and I was like, hey, Auntie, I thought you would not come.
Wow.
And she said, I thought about it. You being there at school, when your friends are all visited and you are not visited. So I came back and I had to come and visit you.
That is so nice. Mami Jemima, thank you so much for loving our daughter. Jemima, thank you for being a friend to our daughter. Thank you so much. Jemima is in which class? Are you in the same class?
No, she's in senior 5.
She's in 5 and you're
like,
in 4.
You know, maybe you know her, but you don't know her name. She came and you had an interview with her.
Oh, so she's the one whom I gave you the gleam last time, eh?
Yeah.
So that is Jemima.
Yeah.
Wow, she's such a darling. Thank you, Jami. Thank you so much. Anyway, let me go with my daughter inside and then we start doing a minimum. When I was a boy, simule nyumba, uze ebintu, ogolole engoye.
Jonna jange.
I'm going to turn your time, take her down. That's why I'm kidding.
I know.
Anyway, see you guys.
Okwangirira ebizigo ebimanyiddwa nga Nyondo Glim. Onako olwaleero njagadde okutwala omukisa guno okubalaga akazigo omukyala wange kakozesa nange olwaleero nkimyeyo akange nkagezesa endabe. Saagala badde babalimbe ate mwesiige ebikola by'amapaapaali simanya mwesiige ssukaali mukola ggulo kano ke kakola ggulo. Tumwagire Nyondo Glim. Osobola okubakubira ku ssimu namba 052 46807778. Oro ojja kuba omufunye bakola ne deliveries kugwe ali mu kiyumba oba ali ewala. Nyondo Glim ajja kuba kutuukako. Mubere bulungi.
Nyondo Media.